All right, not the news you want to hear, but triple digits for the foreseeable future. Of course, I was looking at your forecast as I do every day.
Yes, and tomorrow is going to be the hottest day in my 7-day forecast, something to prepare for. I'll start with the almanac today. Preliminary high 102 degrees at Camp Mabry here in Austin. Normal high 98, 4 degrees warmer than normal. Not close to the record, though, of 107. Sunset coming up at 8:11 this evening. This means now we've had 19 triple-digit days of 2026 here in Austin. We averaged 29 for the entirety of the year, and I'm expecting at least 7 more through the next week. Now, to date, when we're looking at these triple-digit days, we've had 13 to date last year, 23 in 2024, and how about 2022 when through this evening, 65 times we hit the century mark. Right now, 100 in Austin, Georgetown, 102, Bastrop, 101, Luling, 102 out in Llano, cooling down to the low to mid 70s tonight, so fairly normal. Normal low being 75 in Austin. Could even see an upper 60 out in the hill country toward Gillespie County. All right, so I think a more dry air is going to continue into your Monday, meaning 104 degrees in Austin, widespread triple digits for most. Winds will be light out of the east-southeast. So the dry heat starts for the work week, and with that ridge over place, it means over place of Texas, it means abundant sunshine lasting through the daytime. Notice, though, the fog icon in the morning. I think there will be some reduced visibility east of I-35 very early for that drive to work tomorrow, and then the low clouds fizzle. And the ridge will keep us with nothing but blue sky, just like this afternoon for your Monday and even Tuesday. And then moisture will start to increase, maybe a daytime heating shower, y'all, but it's just 10%. It's really not a lot. So I'm thinking that at least through the middle of August, we'll stay dry. We haven't had any rain in Austin this month. We're hoping for rain desperately now. That drought will continue to worsen as we move through the next few weeks, most likely. Radar, calm, quiet into the overnight hours. You'll see those low clouds fill in around 4, 5, 6 a.m. and then they scatter, and then there's that blue sky that I just mentioned with those light winds out of the east-southeast. With slightly more moisture by Friday, Saturday, go from 104 to 103 to 102, and not a big change at all. Still staying much warmer than normal because remember, should be in the upper 90s this time of year, so no fronts. Will keep our lows seasonable in the 70s, and beyond that, this goes until the very end of the month. August 30th, Climate Prediction Center's 8 to 14-day temperature outlook. Some of the highest confidence in that dark red up toward North Texas, but all of the state in that red for a warmer than normal trend likely. By the end of the month, our normal high is 95, so this would be upper 90s and maybe some triple digits as we enter September. Speaking of September, if you're looking forward for some of the fall month temperature, here's the average highs in Austin through October and November. Eventually, as we're working into the holiday season, normal high being down to the 70s. So something to set your eyes on, but until then, a lot of sunshine and the heat with triple digits through the next 7.